even do too much. Like, I was just rocking back and forth, and I'm still like out of breath. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiara Pryor. I make content based on fashion, fitness, business, and occasional lifestyle vlogs. And with that being said, we're gonna jump right into this video. So in today's video, I will be showing y'all the experience of me making an outfit, and it's gonna be a fitness attire. Tongue-tied. And it's gonna be fitness attire. So pretty much I do have a brand. It's called EK Exquisite Designs, but I am in a process of rebranding and changing the name over and all that other good stuff. So I already got the name established, which is now Kiara Pryor, the new name for my company. I'm just gonna give y'all a quick little background about me. So when I first started making clothes, the first thing I was really focused on was custom wear. I did gowns, suits, I tailored stuff, like pretty much stuff like that. And I want to break out of that and change over to like fitness attire. With that being said, I did make an athletic wear outfit. I was just like testing it out to see what I wanted to do, what makes me stand out, what was going to be different kind of thing. And I ended up making this outfit here. I am going to insert like the sketch of it, and I'm also going to insert like the picture of the outfit that I made. With all that being said, we finna go down to Miami. We finna go fabric shopping. We're gonna go to my favorite fabric store. I might go to two, I don't know yet, but I got one particular store that I love. So we're gonna go down to Miami. We're gonna pick out the material. We're gonna come back here, and then we're gonna put the outfit together. Y'all gonna see the whole entire process. So real quick, right before we go down to Miami, I am gonna show y'all my outfit because I'm really feeling myself today. Like, let me just show y'all right quick. This is the scenery of how everything looks. That's my little homie. That's little BB. It was more fabric stores like over there, but they closed them down because it looked like they're like renovating this area. This is another fabric store. I like it, but it ain't like the one I'm going to. Oof. Yeah, that's the vibe of it. But this is the one I'm going to right here. Let's go inside. You see the vibe? It's all the way different. Got what we came here for, and we finna head out. Hey y'all, so I'm back in the car. I am on my way to another store. I gotta go to Joni's, aka Joann's. I gotta get a couple more things like thread and all the other good stuff for the material, because the store I went to, they didn't have it. Like, they didn't have what I was looking for, but Joni's do. So I'm gonna go to Joni's, I'm gonna get that stuff, and once I get home, I am going to like show you guys around my design space and all that good stuff, so y'all can see like my little work area. Other than that, I will be making a part 2 to this video. I'll pretty much be like testing out the material with a full body workout, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get to this other store. I'm gonna go ahead and get what I gotta get, and then I'm gonna get home because I am starving.
Five years later.
Now that I'm home, I can show you guys my design space. So this is Kayla over here. She's wearing my cherry blossom gown. It's not fully spreaded out because she is up against the wall. This is my sewing area. So I got my sewing machine, my serger, I have my Cricut machine, and I also have the placement mats for my, not the placement mats, I have the mats for my Cricut machine. Then I have my dry erase board. I got my TV up here, and then I have some rulers and like little stuff over there. Now in here, this is where I store all of my threads. I also have more storage and stuff here. And then on this side, this is where I store like my sewing machine. If I wanted to take it off my desk, I'll just put it in there and close it. And over here we got Kayla wearing the workout outfit that I showed y'all in the beginning of the video. I did get some feedback. Some people was telling me to add a strap here. I had like 2 people tell me that, and I was like, let me just, you know, put something on a mannequin to see how it looks. So the top is currently in the works. I'm still playing with the top, seeing if I like the one shoulder or want to add something to it. Over here I got my boards. I actually made the black boards, all 4 of them, in high school in my fashion ace class. Let me go closer so you guys can see. So basically we had like an assignment and we had to make like boards and stuff. So these are my designs here, and then these are the cutout for the prints that I have that I created. And then I also have that board, and then I have this one here, which is my favorite, and then I also have this one. Now with this one in the middle, this is my vision board, so I just keep that up there. Then we got Kayla over here. She's wearing my designing apron with this top that I just threw on her and a measuring tape. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my area. I also have like my mat here, my little bootleg garbage can, don't worry about that, and my tabletop. And then I also have this like rolling rack over here with all my extra like stuff on there. This is my tabletop. I got my scissors, my fabric markers. I got the pattern cut out for the outfit over here. And this is a fabric that I actually bought today. I love the color. I wish y'all could see it in person, because on camera it looks light, but in person it's actually like a darker blue. This is my little mat that if I need to measure and cut anything out on, I will take my mat. Well, I will just get down there and cut it, whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my area. And I also have my mirror over here just in case, you know, I want to check something out. And I got my closet for storage. So I am now back. I do have the material and everything I need to work on this outfit. But let me tell y'all, I was so tired. Like, soon as I got home, I knocked out. I was so worn out, like a diaper on a 2-year-old, y'all. Like, I needed rest. But let me show y'all pretty much the things that I got. So for starters, I do have this thread, and I also have my elastic here. This is how the material looks. Let me get up close a little bit. So this is how it looks up close, and it is a 4-way stretch. So before we go ahead and get started, I want to show y'all that I have my homemade pattern pieces here. So I have like the skirt, the top, the waistband. I have everything right here laid out, and I'm just going to put it on a material and get everything cut out. So without further notice, let's get right into it and get started, because I can't wait to see how this turns out. Y'all, Titan always want to come say hi to y'all. Say hi, everybody. He acting a little shy. He just want to like just be so shy and stuff. All right, all right. What? You want an outfit too? Yeah, I would make him an outfit. link up here because there is some, but I'm going to make it a little bit more fitted so it's like really secure. And then I'm going to add some more elastic here because I actually don't have any elastic here, but I am going to add some elastic here. And then other than that, I feel like that'll pretty much be it. But I am going to experiment with the top more just to make sure it's like very secure. I am going to make a follow-up workout video. It's going to be a full body workout video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me in this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all then.